Before we get started with installing this WordPress the theme that we're going to use, I just want you to know that we're going to mainly be using this side of the website and probably use most of these icons by the time we're done. So you're going to know how to use every one of them. So if you remember, if you go up here to My Photography Store and just hit visit the site, if you remember, we're going to see what this thing looks like, straight right out of the box. Okay, it's got this header area here, but there's no call to action, as you can see. Also, when you scroll down, it's like plain Jane. There's nothing there. So this is not the thing that we're going to be using. We're going to be using another theme. So we'll get to that now. So now we're going to go back to the dashboard. And to do that, all you do is just hover over here and just click on dashboard. Simple as that. Now the first thing I want you to do is go to your toolbar here and hover over appearance and then click on themes. So now this page here shows you all the themes that we have downloaded at the moment. As you can see, there's only 3 different themes. This is the one that's currently active right here. And these are other themes that you can use if you wanted to activate these ones. But we're going to look for another thing. Okay, so now we're going to add the new theme that we seen in the description before. So we're going to go over here, hover here, and just click on Add New Theme. So now here you can browse, thousands of WordPress themes that are available to you. And just so you know, that these WordPress themes right here are all completely free. And you can sort them out by popularity, by latest, favorites, premium. That's the ones that you pay for, is the premium ones. So we're going to stay away from the premium ones. So now the type of theme that we're going to be using is called Sydney. And you can get to it just by going to the search bar over here and typing in Sydney. And it should just pop up right here. Here's the theme right here. So now you want to install it, right? So all you're going to do is just hover over here and just click on install. Now once it's installed, you'll get this little green here that says installed. And so now all you want to do is click activate. So once you activate the theme, it's ready to rock and roll. So now you can see that the active theme now is Sydney. Okay, so now we're going to go and see what our website looks like now. So be prepared to be amazed at the difference. So we'll just go up here again and hover over the name of your blog. And then you just click on visit site. And voila! Look how beautiful this is. Huh? Isn't this gorgeous? Now isn't this cool? Now look how this big header image just catches your attention. And you get this nice call to action right here. This is just amazing. So now what we want to do now is go back to our dashboard. And as you can see up here, we have a little message that says we need to install a couple of plugins. So what we're going to do is begin installing plugins. And then scroll down here. I don't know why I got to keep scrolling down, but that's okay. And what you do is you just hit that so everything's all checked. And all bulk actions, you're going to click install, and then apply. Okay. Scroll down again, and it's going to show you that everything's been installed. And then you want to go back to the plugin installer. Then you want to click on all of these again and bulk actions, and you want to click activate and apply. So now all the plugins are activated. I have a folder with a bunch of photographs and things that you're going to need for this demo site. I'm going to explain to you now where you can go to get this folder with all the documentation that you're going to need for this site. Okay, everybody, so far so good, I think. I think it's been a little simple so far, so I hope you're not getting lost. If you are, you can always stop the video, go back and check it out. That's one good thing about video. You can stop, rewind, fast forward, whatever you want to do. Now the files are going to be in the next lecture below this. So if you go to the bottom right, you'll see a green button that says continue. If you hit that, it's going to give you a link to where you can download this zip file. Then you just want to put it on your desktop or wherever you want to save it to, and then unzip it with whatever program your computer comes with. Most Windows software comes with an unzip program. Once the zip folder is there, if you click on the zip folder, you get another screen that comes up, and it'll ask you if you want to unzip it in a different file or a different folder, or you'll have it. Mine comes up with, one click unzip, which unzips it in the same folder that it's already in, and then I just go there and I got all my pictures and all that. So it all depends on your system. All right, so with that said, go get your folder, unzip your folder, go back to the video where we're going to continue with building this site. Okay folks, so just so that you can see, I'm in the file that I downloaded my zip file in, and this is the zip file right here. So if I double click on this, notice it comes up with this new window here. Now this is for Windows 10, this is what I have, and as you can see, I got this one click unzip here. So if I just click that, notice it's downloading the files or opening up the folder. That's what I meant to say. Okay, now that it's done, it'll open up the folder with the images and the files in it. Now to get the images onto your website, all you're going to have to do is go to your media here, then you're going to go up to add new, then you're going to go to select files, and you're going to go to the folder that it created, images for website. You're going to double click on this, go to your images. These are all your images. To choose all of these images, you highlight one, you go down to the last image here, shift and then left mouse click, and notice it highlights them all. Then you can say open. Should download all the files. You can see they're all downloading right now. Now as you can see, they're all uploaded, and we'll continue on. Now all we need to do is upload the demo content, which will give you create your beautiful website. So what this demo content is going to do is add these different sections to the website, but you're going to be able to customize them any way you want. So now to do this, you're just going to need to go to your tools, import, looking for WordPress here. So you just click on install now. What you're going to do is you're going to click on run importer. Come over to here and click on choose file. In the same folder that these images are in, if you go back one step here, you're going to see a file that says Sydney demo content, which is XML document. Click on this XML file, open it, import. So then what you want to do here is you want to go to select, and you want to select your name that you created when you created this website. Click on submit. Okay, now that we have downloaded the XML file and all the photos, now we're ready to actually start building our website. So go down to the next lecture and let's get to it. Let's start building that beautiful website.